In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a repository in GitHub. This is useful when you want to remove an old or unused project from your account. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, open the repository you want to delete. Once you're inside the repository, click Settings from the top menu. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page until you find the Danger Zone section. Click Delete this repository to begin the deletion process. GitHub will show you a confirmation message. Review the information, then select the option confirming that you understand the consequences of deleting the repository. Next, enter the exact repository name in the confirmation field. Once you've confirmed everything, click Delete this repository. GitHub may ask you to complete an additional security verification, such as entering a code sent to your email. Follow the instructions to complete the verification. After the verification is complete, your repository will be permanently deleted. That's how to delete a repository in GitHub. Thanks for watching.